Hey, let's check out what's in my dental kit. So these are my loupes. This is what helps me see and do my surgeries. This goes over the head. It's got 2 double lamps and a telescopic magnifier. It's powered by a battery that goes in the back. This tool helps me see with precision what's in your mouth, as well as it magnifies. These are some of the tools we use to perform dental implants. Right here in front of me, that's our surgical kit, which helps us with the preparation of the bone. Right here, this machine is called a piezo, and what it does, it prepares the soft and hard tissues for us. This guy right here in the center, this helps to minimize bleeding. And lastly, this machine right here, it preps the bone for an implant. So this is a denture prep kit. This packaging is bone graft material, and that is some of the example of our implants that we use. One of the most important tools that we have to go digital is a 3D scanner. And what I have here is a 3 shape. It's a Trios 5, and what it allows us to do is precisely scan teeth, crowns, and it's found its way in the dental implant world. All right, so next we have is a facial 3D scanner. And what this allows us to do is capture our entire face in a 3D form, and this is then in turn sent to our lab in a digital format, so where we can actually see the shape of the teeth, the smile, the entire face, and the eyes. That allows us to dial the smile right in with precision to match every single individual. This right here is one of our 3D printers. What it allows us to do is 3D print teeth in a day. That's the actual printer. This machine right here is a wash, and what it does is just washes away all the excess resin. And this little guy here is a cure. The brand here is Sprint Ray, and it's called the Pro 2. This is one of the latest one that just came out. The reason why we chose this one is because of its efficiency, its accuracy, and ease of use. So what I have in my hand right now, it's the actual product, a 3D printed teeth coming right off that machine. It was washed, cured, and this is the final product. And with this technology, we're able to provide teeth within 24 hours. So the main purpose of these are to serve as prototypes. This is where we dial the bite in, the smile, and the entire aesthetics while the patient is wearing this and the implants are healing. The final phase will be the zirconia, which will be the exact replica of the resin 3D printed prototypes.